Welcome family to our day 3 vlog. So as usual we have to be prepared beforehand. So I had soaked rice and urad dal for making today's breakfast. And I had also added 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds which makes it more crispy. Guys, do you remember this? This is jamun fruit use. So I thought I'll make some delicious, yummy, healthy smoothie for y'all. So I have taken the fruit and I have sliced it so that you can separate it from the seed. Yeah, so I have started using it, and you know it is very plumpy and fresh and very effective and useful for diabetic persons. It helps in lowering the diabetes blood sugar. So this way I tried removing the skin, the flesh from the seed. Okay, can you see how beautiful? Now we'll take a mixie jar, and in that I added the fruit which we had sliced and kept before, this way. Then I added 4 tablespoons of sugar. Not necessary, you can add up to you as you taste. Now add at least 2 cups of water so that I can grind it smoothly. So let's start grinding. So it's been done. Now can you see how it has been smooth? Now I'm adding 1 or 2 pinch of rock salt, pink rock salt, and 3-4 spoons of sabja. You can put it directly in the glass before pouring the smoothie. I have added 4 spoons of sabja seeds, and then here goes a smoothie. Oh wow, see how colorful does it looks. Now before going to sleep, I had to grind the batter which I had kept yesterday for soaking. Do you remember? So the first jar goes for grinding. Here starts our good morning, Sophia's family. As usual, our morning tea is getting boiled. Oh, and it's coming and wishing all of us a beautiful morning. And our idli is being prepared. The first lot of idli is being done. And this is the coconut chutney which is being prepared for today's breakfast along with idli. Joel didn't wanted idli, so we made dosha for him, and he always wants an oily, crispy dosha, either that or ghee dosha. So I made along with idli some doshas too for today's morning breakfast. And then back to our daily routine where we had to wash clothes. कपड़ा भी तो धोना है यारो. तो as usual I had put the clothes in the machine so that at least by 45 minutes the clothes will get washed. And there Jessica is, her class is going on. And now this fellow wanted a haircut, so I thought I'll show my new talent. So let's give him a new haircut. So tried giving him so. And this was the end result. Do comment me in the box how does it look.